Hello guys, it's me here, H3O Delirious. No, H3O Teddy Delirious. So, it's for playing Happy Wheels. God damn it. Happy Wheels. It's just a violent game, you know. Violent game. God damn it. It's a level browser. Here we go. You play most horrible games on the internet. Not really, god damn it. So we're gonna I don't know what to oh gosh. I don't know. Oh gosh. Nah. Hit that. Spike fall. Love Spike Falls. Segway. Steve. God damn it! I'm so copyright shit. I'm a copyright shit. God damn it. God. I'm terrible. Okay. I'm terrible. Don't judge me, kid. Gosh, that was a mistake. Gosh, that was a mistake. And I just jump right there. Yes! Woo! Did it, bros. Did it. What? What was that? What's that? That's not possible. Gosh. What? Gosh. I don't know what to do. Wait. Oh, shit. God damn it. So I really need to adjust this thing. So 3, 2, 1, go. Oh gosh, that was a mistake. That was a mistake. Ah! Gosh, 3, 2, 1, go. Then eject this shit. Gosh. Gosh, this shit is hard. Oh god, no! 9! Yes! Maybe. Shit. That's just not possible. What? Don't understand this shit. Maybe I go back here. No. I just need to jump in and check. Oh, my butt is stuck. Get away with my butt. Ah! Gosh, not my head, please. Not in my butt. Gosh, that is how to dance. Hell yeah. That is how to dance. God damn it. This is hard. This is really hard based on the title. God damn it. God damn it. God damn it. This is hard. Gosh, this is hard. This is hard as hell. No! Rage quit. I probably rage quit. God damn it. Legit FIFA ball throw. I love FIFA. I'm a soccer player. Oh, god damn it. I'm Hitler. So, I'm Hitler now. WTF? Why is this fucking lag? What? Why is it lag? Ah, man, this is lag. Gosh. This is just lag. Okay, this is lag. Maybe the Jay-Z Battle Run. The Battle Run. Oh, god damn it. God damn it, Jacksepticeye. I'm not Jacksepticeye. Wait, what's that? What's that shit? What's that shit you're eating? God damn it, Steven. God damn it, Billy. God damn it, Billy. Hey, I should have that shit. What the fuck? What? That was terrible, guys. Guys, God damn it. That was terrible. What the heck, Billy? What did you do to my head? Ah, did I press a jack? Oh, gosh! Hell no! Like a boss, god damn it. Ah, damn it. Ah, why you holding me, son? No, why you let me, son? God damn it, son. Get away with my car, bitch. Oh, shit. God damn it. I need to start this fucking level. Die, bitch. Die, bitch. Get away from... Oh, god damn it. Get away from my car. There we go. Niggas. Hell yeah. Yeah. God damn it. God damn it. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. 3, 2, 1. Destroy that shit. Boom. Oh! God damn it. What is that? What is that? It's just invisible. What's that? Oh, I win. Yay! First victory. What? Okay, first victory. What the fuck? Baby attack. What's this fucking level? Oh my gosh, it's the babies. No, it's not babies, Billy. Dumbass. So I need to hit that man with a cigarette right there. Okay. Gosh. Drop that shit. Oh! God damn it. God damn it. I need to hit that shit right there. God damn it. Please on my head. Drop that. Oh, crap. Yeah. Bruh. 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 Ah. 9! 9! I need to hit that shit. Oh my gosh. That was a suicide attempt. Or I did just suicide. God damn it. So, bye bye guys. See you in the next video. Just want to say goodbye. God damn it. 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 So, bye bye guys. See you in the next video. Hit the like button. Suggest videos. Bye. Like for more. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.